Why would somebody need a will? The most important thing to think about is your family in the unlikely event that you pass away. You'd like to have a will on file and tell the courts and everyone in your family how you want your assets to pass after you're no longer available to tell them how you want things to go. If you have a will, what we would do is we would draft that for you and file it with the Register of Wills in the county where you reside. And we would ensure that all your beneficiaries, the people that you choose, would get two different parts of your estate. And the first is your tangible personal property, everything that you would be able to physically touch. This is the kitchenware in your house, your clothing to your couch, all the way to your cars. And people typically would leave that to their spouse first in the event that their spouse predeceases them, then to their children. The other part of your estate is called a residuary estate. This is typically what you see in the movies where you receive a large portion of somebody's inheritance. This is the cash. This is the sale of a property. This is stocks and bonds. If you have them, they liquidate them. And you would also, want to set forth who you'd give this to, whether it be your spouse. And if your spouse predeceases you, then to your beneficiaries, typically your children. You also would choose who you'd want to administer your estate, what we call a personal representative, and simply that's an executor in the state of Maryland. Also, you would want to notify your family and friends if you'd like to be buried or cremated. So this will start the process, let the courts know how you want this to be taken care of, and your family will be at ease because all of your assets will simply transfer to them, and that's why it's important to have a will.